B-series single-side lapping and polishing machine. For all types of material single-sided lapping and polishing, like metal, sapphire, silicon wafer, ceramics, quartz crystal, and other semiconductor materials, the machine adopts variable frequency stepless speed regulation to realize the functions of soft start and soft stop of the equipment. The key operation parts and electrical components adopt international famous brands. The high-strength bed body has ensured the stability of the equipment after the aging treatment. The random loading high-precision repair machine, built-in SK Japan P4 bearing with high-precision lead screw and high-precision slide bar, so that the operation is speeding no more than 0.003 millimeters. The flatness of the grinding disc can reach below 0.005 micrometer after repairing. The flatness of products is up to 0.001 millimeters after processing. Through the collocation of grinding disc and consumable material, the product can be processed into matte finish, narrow surface, super mirror, and other surface effects. The best roughness can be below 0.01 micrometers.